this and this and give you
a princess.
Let's be honest. You also need a glow up like that, don't you? So get ready to exit your lazy girl era. I will show you the ultimate guide to physically, mentally, and socially glow up. Part 1: Physical Glow Up. Starting with skincare. Get a skincare routine and make it a ritual to follow it every single day. Choose the products according to your skin type, but in general you need moisturizer, sunscreen and a lip balm. Serum and toner are optional, but if you are still breaking out, start eating healthy to achieve the glass skin. Swimming, exercise, dancing, playing, anything would work, but you need to spend at least an hour moving your body. Next is hair care. Everyone wants those voluminous, healthy and shiny hair. So for that, massage your scalp almost every night before sleeping, but once a week massage it with a coconut oil or amla oil to boost hair growth. Apply shampoo on scalp and conditioner on lengths, because shampoo is quite harsh and damages the length of your hair. Apply hair mask once in 15 days. And please stop using heat on your hair. Never judge a book by its cover is quite a lie, because your outer appearance is the first impression for a stranger. So invest in neutral colors for a monochromatic look. The colors opposite to each other in a color wheel are called complementary colors and helps to create a bolder look and give contrast. The colors next to each other in a color wheel are called analogous colors and give a more subtle and cohesive look. You are perfect, but everything goes to waste when you stand like this. Girl, what are you doing? Hunching makes you look insecure, so instead keep your back straight and walk into a place like you own it. Before going any further, please like, subscribe and share my channel. It is quite obvious that if you smell bad, no one would want to come around you. So invest in good quality perfume. You can use Itr and essential oils, which are way more better than perfumes. Here's a quick tip: if you want to make your perfumes long lasting, apply Vaseline and then spray perfume on it. Part 2 is all about mental well-being, starting with journaling. In order to know what's actually holding you back, you need to start journaling. This will help you to track yourself and provide mental ease. As soon as you wake up, start feeding positive things to your mind and the things which you are grateful for. This will change your life forever. Next on the list is bucket list. Create a list of all the things you plan to do this summer, the places you want to travel, movies to watch, books to read, and make it a goal. By this, I mean getting out of your comfort zone and trying out something new that you were afraid to do before. Basically, getting a new hobby. Coming to the last part, social well-being. Of course, you compare yourself with other people when all you do is scroll in social media. Instead of envying over them, you should make it a goal to actually become like them by putting constant efforts. Remember, your only competitor is your past self. Did you ever wonder why celebrities are so mesmerizing? Well, because they are confident of who
And
they are
unapologetically themselves.
So, how do you become confident? Well, the simple answer is being yourself. But, clearly that does not help. So, now what? Start speaking positive about yourself. Instead of saying I'm dumb, say I know I can figure this out, and say beautiful things to yourself. You don't need someone else's validation because you validate yourself. You love every part of you, your flaws, your strengths, and in that case, you attract things naturally towards you. So don't waste your angel energy in toxic people. Do I even need to explain you this? Of course, we need rest from social media when we spend almost half our lives in it. Unfollow the toxic people from your social media account and delete all the trash that has accumulated in your device. So I created a quick homework for you guys. So create a person who is everything you want to become in respect of looks, personality, friends, goals, achievements, hobbies, and then become that person. Talk and treat others like that person would. That's it for today's video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share.